I'm audible?
Yeah, okay. So, yeah, you are audible and visible both.
Okay. Okay. So, hi Kitty, how are you doing today?
Yeah, hi, I am doing good. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing good. So, how's going your day today?
Yeah, it is little bit hectic for me because I have lots of work, so I was busy, so I that's why I delay your session.
Yeah, it's okay. I can understand many times it's happened with me also. No problem. So,
Yes.
thank you so much for attending this session. Or I would you like to know about first? Could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, my name is Kirti. Basically, I am from Bihar, but currently I live in Bangalore. I am a
Hmm.
proud homemaker as well as mother of one kid. Apart from this, if I talk about my hobbies, so I have also lots of hobbies, but nowadays I indulge myself to learn this language. So this is add on in my hobby, and yeah, means I am also pursuing my MBA also as well as, and have running. I created my channel for learning purpose, so
Hmm.
I have a YouTube channel also. Simultaneously, I am working on that also. So in that way I try to connect with new people and and learn from them also. So in that way I am improving myself and I am grasping from them also. So it's about me.
Okay, nice to hear about yourself. So thank you so much, giving your wonderful introduction here. So shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So as you know, my name is Soni, and I'm originally from Uttarakhand, but currently live in Delhi. And if I talk about my education, so I hold a bachelor of degree in arts. And if I talk about my profession, so I am working in HR department. Right now, I'm passionate about learning this language, or I want to become a fluent speaker, public speaker. And as well as if I talk share my hobbies, so I love to learning new things, and I'm enjoying to doing exercise or gardening. Apart from this, I love to dancing or many things, but nowadays I'm into reading. I love to reading parts also, these are little bit about myself. Yeah.
Lots of questions to ask to you. So still means I am also working on my communication skill and simultaneously I am pursuing my MBA. So I have a also means eager to join in corporate jobs. So
Hmm.
that's why I am pursuing my MBA. So you are working on HR department. So
Hmm.
I have a question. Means if I improve my communication skills, so it is a chance to join means there in HR department. So definitely,
So
means
you are searching job in Bangalore or some like in any other place?
no, I didn't start, but I am thinking to upload my resume and I try to give the interview also. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, I am searching Bangalore because it is
Okay.
convenient for me, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I think nowadays work from home is not available.
Hmm. Yeah, many company provide to work from home, but mostly company or especially in HR department, we have to physically, present there. So, but mostly
Yes,
means many companies are provided to work from home. You can search maybe in Bangalore, they can give you like work from home facilities. So it is good for
yes,
you. Hmm.
true. So you have any questions? So you can.
Yes, yes. So when did you when you shifted in Bangalore?
Yeah, actually, I have been for 12 years.
Okay, in Bangalore.
Yes,
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. So
because
you can search now. You
my
can.
husband, yeah, he is working here. So I live in Noida also 1 year and 2 years in Chennai. So
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
that. But
Okay.
Yeah.
According to his transfer or job location, then you have to like shift it. Okay, I got
Yes.
to know. So, Kirti ma'am, I want to ask you, when did you feel like realize that you have to, you needed to improve yourself?
When my daughter started to go school, then I
Mm-hmm.
realized, no, I have to work on myself. Then
Hmm.
I came out to my comfort zone, and I took a plunge to start my career. So that time my communication was not good, so but that time I
Mm-hmm.
thought, why not I have to start from school. It is good
Mm-hmm.
for me because there also we need to speak in English, because
Hmm.
in Bangalore, if you go in any school, it is mandatory to speak in English. So
Hmm.
then there I realized, no, actually my communication is not good, so I
Hmm.
have to work on that also. Then 6 months ago I have started my journey, and still I am consistent about that. So I will say day by day I am improving also, and now
Mm-hmm.
I have a courage to connect with people. Earlier
Yes.
I I have fear to connect with people, and I don't want to means I didn't want to talk with people, because I always thought if I talk with people, so definitely I make mistakes. So that is the reason
Hmm.
I was not speaking. But
Yes.
now, little by little, I overcome my hesitation, and now I try to connect with people also.
You like overall, how many sessions you had?
Overall, I think I have connected with 30 to 40 people approx.
Okay. So I mean to say you started last year or just right now, like
No,
six.
I have started my channel means on January.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
January month you started. Okay.
Yes.
So how you feel like after starting your journey, how you feel you take a right decision or what do you want to say like for my viewer or if somebody watch us to what do you want to say? If somebody also thinking like,
Definitely,
hmm,
earlier I made my video, so that time I was also fumbled and my mind went blank, and I was not fluent that much.
hmm,
But
hmm.
day by day I have seen, I have connected with people, and I communicate with people. So I overcome my fear, and now I don't have a fear. So that way I am trying to overcome my fear, because earlier I always afraid to connect with people.
Yes, initially it's happened with everyone. I also feel like, when I started to started conversation video attending conversation video, so I also feel like even though I'm working, so I don't have like that much fear or hesitant or low confidence, but at the time, because video call is something different from audio calls, so it was like
Yes.
yeah, first days I was also like feel the same like hesitant something, but later
Mm.
this is maybe it is my fourth or fifth session with you. So I feel comfortable now. I feel that I am lacking, consistent because always I just start and then left, just start and left. Often end situation happen with me. So I thought, why not, why not upload the video on YouTube channel so that I can maintain my consistency because I heard about the
Yes.
many people who has like a YouTube channel. So they able to maintain consistency. So in this way,
Yes.
yes, nowadays I'm maintaining
Yeah,
at least.
I think when whoever started their YouTube channel, so consistency is more important on YouTube channel also, because we know we are learning, so there also consistency is matter, but on YouTube
Hmm.
also it's matter.
Not only, Kirti, to be honest, not only in the, in this journey, but also when whatever we start or whatever we want to learn, if we are not consistent, we can't, achieve or that things. So we have to consistent. Suppose that if somebody has to weight lose, somebody want to weight
Yes.
lose, then if she or he not consistent, then how they will expect to lose their weight? So it is not
Yeah,
possible.
it is a true.
Yes.
Yeah, it is a true actually. Because I totally resonate with you because
Hmm.
now I put on my weight also. So in that thing also we need
Hmm.
consistency.
Hmm.
If you are
Hmm.
losing one day, so definitely you have to.
Yes. Sorry.
So definitely we lose something. So
Hmm.
if we start anything, so consistency is more important.
Yes, yes, definitely. Because it's why I share with you. Because of that, earlier I was also like on my, weight loss journey. So if I'm not a regular, exercise, so I feel that I'm not, I just thinking, oh, my weight is stuck in somewhere. I'm not, losing my weight. So that kind of things happen. But later I, get to know it is the totally game of consistency. If we're not
Yes.
consistent, we cannot achieve anything else. So yeah, now I get to know
Yeah.
that things. Hmm.
Yeah, it is true actually. Whatever we have to start, so consistency is more important rather
Hmm.
than other thing, I think.
Right. So, ma'am,
Yeah.
I have another questions for you. Like, should we care about the what people think about us? Means whenever we start something, so we have always our mind what people think or they judge or something like that. So we should focus on that, or we should like how we handle this situation.
I think, earlier I used to think like that also. Means whenever I make a mistake, so people laughed on me. So I think this is the misconception. I think if you are working,
Yes, ma'am. But what I want to say, like, people like definitely judge us. But if we do something good or wrong, people, judge or people say something about us. But my
yes,
question is that, like, we should focus on that, what people think, because, yeah, definitely
no,
if somebody give us like advice, our loved ones or our family member, relative, someone give advice in positive way, definitely we should focus on that particular things. If somebody said to me,
yes,
yes, you have to work on that things, so yes, I can understand. But when somebody give the advice, or they criticize us like you don't know, or something like that, they criticize us, then at the time we don't focus on particular things. Or I seen many
yes,
people who are working in social media side, so they many people troll them, or many people criticize them, you don't know, you are doing that. Somebody start their journey and suddenly you say you are not doing wrong, so maybe the people have like demotivated or some feel. So like it's happened with you or me, or every with
anyone,
everyone.
yeah,
Yes, we face in our life many not only in this journey, many times we face. So we should not focus on those
yeah,
people who always talk in negative way, they criticize you. Our confidence, we will skip our
yes,
whatever we want to achieve. So I think we should not focus on that particular people. We should focus on that people who praise us and like praise us, or they support us and they motivate us, so that we can,
Yes,
work on ourselves continuously.
yes,
Hmm.
yeah, yeah, it is a true actually. If we are thinking about that, so we are losing ourselves.
Hmm. Yes.
So better to leave it there only.
Right. So if you come across with the like people who has like negative people, in mean to say, so how you deal with negative people? We can find anywhere, like in our life, in home, in relative, friends circle, anywhere. Like negative people come across with us, like we can find anywhere. So how you deal with
Yes.
that people?
Actually, nowadays I am ignoring them because now I learned let it go. Okay,
Hmm.
whatever people are saying, just ignore it.
Yes, yes, yes. It is the, I think, very best way to letting go, and we don't focus on that particular person. If we, you can say, talk with them and we start arguing them, then definitely it will be, after later it will be our conflict, going in big, big. Uh, right.
Between,
So we
yeah,
have to
yeah, it is a
let
true
go them
actually.
if somebody not understand us, if somebody not under, try to understand us, then definitely we have to let go them, or don't think about that
Yeah,
people.
you know, even though in your family member also they criticize you,
Hmm.
just
Hmm. Hmm.
leave it. Whatever you are
Hmm.
saying, you are means you are right. Okay, I am
Hmm.
wrong. So
Yes,
now I
yes,
learned actually.
yes, definitely. So I would you like to know how you, what is your you?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we have to wrap up this session, or it was very fantastic, or it was very, you can say meaningful sessions with you. So thank you so
Yes.
much again connecting with me or giving me your precious time. So thank you so
And
much
yeah,
again.
likewise. And you are also sending mails, so I thought why not I have to connect with you because
Yes,
it is a
yes.
good opportunity,
Hmm.
right? Whenever we have to connect with people.